To tuck in ends on a twill or a broken twill, you can use a little yarn needle such as this one, thread in your end, and you can go through these channels of the twill. So I'm going to be going through like this. You only need to go through about 3 of the wefts. Simply pull that through and carefully trim off the end, and now your end is hidden inside. When you have one out in the middle, it's the same concept. So thread your yarn needle, and we're going to go through this channel here, making sure that we're only grabbing these back weft strings and not the warp strings. Fish that through and trim off the end. For this one, we can either go through the same channel we did before, or we can go back into this one here. So I'm going to go back into this one, make sure we're not pulling anything too tight, and trim off the end. To check out more of our finishing techniques, click this playlist here.